So here we are in my kitchen because I needed a surface that was big enough for the image. The image that we are going to apply to transfer tape today is about 28.25 inches long, and it is 25 inches wide. So Cricut has come out with transfer tape to go with the size of the new vinyl for the Venture, and some people find it difficult to do transfer tape onto large decals, so I'm going to show you how I do it. So you get your transfer tape, and the first thing you're going to do is you're going to peel a corner up. When I can get the corner up, this is not cooperating. It happens. There we go. Maybe. Yeah, so I've got a corner, and I'm going to bring it all the way across to the other side, releasing the transfer tape from the backing of the paper. Now, for doing this, I do prefer to use transfer tape with a backing. It makes this technique a lot easier. So I'm going to just peel this back a couple of inches all the way across, like so. And I'm going to hold it, and I'm going to fold under that piece, or a lot of the transfer paper backing. I'm going to take it, and I'm going to line this one up with my paper, trying to get it as smooth as possible. Let me move this down a little bit. So I've attached it to that, except this one decided to come back over instead of staying down like it was supposed to. So make sure you've got the backing paper out of the way. So you just do that. Once it's smooth out, make sure you get it as smooth as possible. It just works better. All you're going to do is you're going to reach under. So I'm underneath the vinyl or the transfer tape, and I'm going to find that little flap of paper backing. I don't know if you can see it there. I'm going to grab hold of it, and I'm just going to pull. And as you pull, it comes off nice and smooth, covering your whole decal, just like that. And that's it. That is the easiest way to apply transfer tape to any large size decal.